Good morning students. We will discuss about the topic plant world. So there are many plants in our world. Depending on the size, plants are divided into different sizes, different types. First of all, we will discuss about the trees. First is the trees. Big and स्ट्रॉन्ग प्लांट्स आर कॉल्ड ट्रीज़, जो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े होते हैं, आपके घर में भी हैं कईयों के लगे, उन प्लांट्स को हम ट्रीज़ बोलते हैं. द स्टेम, दिस इज़ द स्टेम ऑफ द ट्रीज़, दिस इज़ कॉल्ड ट्रंक, इट इज़ कॉल्ड ट्रंक. एंड सेकेंड इज़ द shrubs. Shrubs are thin, brown and woody stems are called shrubs. You must have rose plant in your home. आपके घर में गुलाब का है प्लांट, फूलों के भी हैं थोड़े बड़े बड़े. That is called shrubs. We call them shrubs. And next one is the herbs. Herbs are very small plants, soft and green stems are called herbs. Mint, coriander and grass are called herbs. Herbs like you put in your दाल और सब्जी, धनिया जो आप अपने सब्जी में डालते हैं, उसको भी क्या है, वो herbs हैं. That is called coriander herbs. Next is the climber. Climbers are very weak and soft stems. They need support. They need a support to climb up high. For example, money plant. You grow money plant in your home. These are called climbers. Next is the creepers. Creepers, they grow along the ground. Pumpkin and bottle gourd, all these vegetables that grow along the ground, those plants are called creepers. Next is the aquatic plants. Aquatic plants are those which grow in the water. For example, lotus, which is our national flower also, water lily, all these plants are aquatic plants. Thank you. Hello students. Let's discuss about the parts of a plant. Here is the parts of the plants I have drawn. First of all, this is the root. It is under the soil. The root grows below the soil. मिट्टी के नीचे होती है जड़, जिसको हम बोलते हैं, that is root. It absorbs water and minerals from the ground, from the soil. Next is the stem. Stem, this is the stem. Stem grows above the ground. It has many branches which bears leaves, flower, bud, fruit, etc. Now next is the leaves. Leaf, it makes food for the plant. It absorbs, the root absorbs water and minerals, and leaf make food for the plant. This is the bud. The bud grows into flower, and flower grows into fruit, and the fruit bears the seed, and from that seed a new plant grows. Hello students. We will do the chapter plant world. In this chapter, today we will discuss the topic plant modifications. So plants perform some functions other than normal ones, like the root of the plant take water and minerals from the soil, leaves make food for the plant. But some of the plants, they perform different functions. For example, the root grow below the soil. the roots grow below the soils, and some roots also store food. Some roots also store food for the plant, that is called storage roots. For example, radish. Radish is below the ground under the soil, and it store food for the plant. Same way carrot is also under the soil. This is root under the soil and it stores food. This is called storage roots. And beetroot is also a storage root. Next is the stem, the part of the plant that grows above the soil. Mostly it happens, you see the tree, this is the tree, and this is the trunk or the stem. Stems are, the plant of the stems are above the soil. The stems are above the, but some stems grow underground, below the soil. Some stems grow below the soil. These are underground stems. For example, potato is underground stem, and ginger is also the stem. It grows underground. So these are the plant modifications. Let's discuss about the uses of plants. You know very well the plants are very important for us. It gives so many things, and we uses many things that are made of the things which are given by the plants. So plants are very important for us. Let's discuss and let's know about the uses of the plants. First of all, you like fruits, you like vegetables. All these fruits and vegetables we get from the plants. You eat apple, you eat mango, grapes, banana, and many more fruits. All these fruits, where do you get from? You get from the plants. Next, vegetables. You know very well, vegetables are very good for our health. It makes our body strong. So we should eat vegetables daily. So many vegetables, green leafy vegetables are there. Cauliflower, radish, carrot, brinjal, and ladyfinger. Many vegetables. All these vegetables we get from the plants. So wheat, you eat roti, prantha, all these are we get from wheat. Wheat is also a plant. It is very important for us. It makes us strong. Next, furniture. Furniture is made of wood. That wood we get from the plants. Our chair, table, doors, windows, etc. all these are made of wood that we get from the plants. Even your pencil, you write with pencil, this is also made from the plants. Paper also made from the pulp of the plants. Oil is also very important for us, for our body. So oil we get from the plants. Many oils like coconut oil. Coconut oil is eaten also. We apply on the body also, and we apply on the hairs also. Coconut oil, mustard oil. You cook vegetables in that oil, and sunflower oil, groundnut oil, soya bean oil. So many oils are there that we get from the plants, and plants give us fresh air, and when we breathe in the fresh air, it make our lungs healthy. So plants are very important for us, and the trees, many big trees are there, and birds and animals live there. They make their home. This is the trees are the home of the animals and birds. And the plants also provide food for animals. They eat fruits from the plants. So plants are very, very useful for us also, for human beings also, and for the animals also. So we should protect the trees, all the plants, because it is very important for us, very useful for us. So we should plant more and more trees. Thank you.